Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a product that's been making waves in the world of moisture control, the ALORAIR Commercial Dehumidifier. If you're dealing with water damage or need to maintain a dry environment in challenging areas, this might just be the solution for you. We've added the link in the description so you can check the latest price and availability. Now, let's get into what makes the ALORAIR Commercial Dehumidifier a standout choice. This powerful unit is designed for high-capacity water extraction, boasting the ability to remove up to 180 pints of water from the air daily at saturation conditions. That's an impressive feat, especially when you consider its operational efficiency in both large spaces and confined areas. One of the key features of this dehumidifier is its commercial-grade build, with a high airflow capacity of 210 CFM. This ensures that it maximizes drying performance, making it an optimal choice for professionals in the drying and water damage restoration industry, capable of servicing areas up to 2,300 square feet. Whether you're tackling a flooded basement or managing humidity in a crawl space, this unit packs the power you need. Speaking of crawl spaces and tight spots, the ALORAIR Dehumidifier has a compact design that measures just 22.8 by 13.7 by 17.3 inches. This space-saving aspect, combined with two handy carrying handles on top, allows for easy maneuverability and positioning in hard-to-reach areas. If you've ever struggled to fit equipment into tight spaces, you know how important this feature is. Another highlight is the built-in pump, which allows for automatic drainage of condensate. This means less hassle for you, as you won't have to worry about manually emptying the tank. The unit comes with a 19.6-foot-long drain hose and a vertical drain height capability of 14.7 feet, providing flexibility in installation. This feature alone can save you a lot of time and effort, especially in professional settings. Let's talk about ease of use. The ALORAIR Dehumidifier operates on a plug-and-go basis. Simply plug it in, turn it on, and set your desired humidity level. It features an auto-on-off function and memory starting capabilities, so it remembers your settings even after a power disruption. The auto-restart feature is a game-changer, as it allows the unit to resume its operation without your intervention after a power failure. Additionally, the advanced automatic defrosting system is designed to prevent frost buildup, which can impede performance. The built-in sensors continuously monitor the ambient temperature and initiate a defrost cycle when needed. During this phase, the compressor temporarily stops while the fan continues to run, allowing any accumulated frost to thaw. This not only conserves energy but also extends the lifespan of the unit, making it a wise investment for long-term use. With a 6-year limited warranty, you can have peace of mind knowing that this dehumidifier is safety tested and compliant with electrical safety standards. Every ALORAIR dehumidifier comes with this solid warranty, ensuring that you're covered should any issues arise. So, who is this dehumidifier suitable for? It's perfect for homeowners looking to address moisture issues in basements and crawl spaces, contractors involved in flood repairs, and anyone needing to maintain optimal humidity levels in large spaces. Practical use cases include water damage restoration, maintaining air quality in storage facilities, or simply controlling humidity levels in areas prone to dampness. In summary, the ALORAIR Commercial Dehumidifier is a robust and efficient solution for anyone needing to tackle moisture problems effectively. Its powerful extraction capabilities, compact design, user-friendly features, and durability make it a top choice for both residential and commercial applications. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.